How's it going, guys? So back with another video. Sunday night, inside the garage, and I actually have really, I think this is like a big step in my progress, I guess. But it's definitely something that I needed to do in order to get the ball rolling. So I'll show you guys that here. Well, guys, here it is. Grand Prix that's been sitting outside for months is inside my garage. I washed it. And it was actually a bit of a job to get it in here with no engine or tranny, as you can tell. But yeah, it's in here now. And actually, after washing it, the paint already looks amazing. I haven't even buffed it or waxed it or anything. So yeah, that's pretty awesome. But anyway, put it back to normal. This is, if I haven't gone over it, this is a 97, which is the bastard year, as some people would call it. But, to me, the 97 to 03s are all the same. Same body style. There are some little tweaks they did, but overall, the car is going to perform similar to my red car, but better. Just need my friend to tune it and build the engine, of course. But, yeah. I can finally start working on it. It is, it's a coupe. And I'm pretty sure I've gone over this before. I did get a mirror for that, power mirror. Got the sunroof, so that's nice. Heads-up display, digital information center, so... yeah, and it came with these gauges that I'm going to have to wire up. I'm not sure where the guy who owned it before me wired them, but have to figure it out. And the battery died because I left the key on for too long. So I'm going to have to charge it. But anyway, yep, I can finally get working on the car. To me, this is awesome because I know I've been putting off working on it, but I really do want to get it done. I just need a lot of parts for it. So, till I get it done, I will work on what I can in here. Get the exhaust on. I'm going to try to do that tonight. I might have to lower the rear of the subframe a little bit because the exhaust is welded from the rear header back. So, in order to get it up, past the subframe, I'll probably have to lower it a little bit. But once I get that in there, then I can start putting the hangers on the exhaust and everything. So, yeah, everything's looking up. Focus is running pretty good. The only thing I want to do is, it still needs an alignment because of all the new parts. And then I'm going to put 2-inch drop springs on it. And then I'm going to try leave it alone after that. It sits way high with the new springs and everything in the back. And, a 2-inch drop springs would make it look perfect. And it's just a Focus, but I think 2-inch drop springs would make it look a whole lot better, even for a Focus, especially with those rims on it. So anyway, yep, I don't have a deadline or anything for when this car will be done. I'm just gonna go as it is and keep buying parts for it, because that's really all I can do. Keep buying parts and putting what I can on. I have to pay for the engine, and then I'll just give it to Nathan Hander, and he will build the engine for me. And I will do everything else, the interior, the exterior, getting paint done, and transmission, I actually haven't decided what to do about that yet. It still worked pretty good last year when I blew up the engine. It didn't really slip or anything. Worked really strong, shifted good. The only thing I noticed was the torque converter, the inside where the torque converter spins on the input shaft, seems to be a little worn. So maybe it's just natural wear and tear, but I'm not really sure. I have to show my friend Nathan to see what he thinks. Maybe he'll just tell me to put the tranny back in and run it, because it worked fine. So maybe he'll just tell me to do that till it blows up, and then build the tranny. So send it, right? So anyways, that's all I got today. I'll I'll do more videos, of course, you know, progress on the Grand Prix, and if I get those springs on the Focus. So anyways, I'll see you guys later.